In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram channel and upload videos. So first, I open Telegram app on my mobile phone, then click on this pencil icon. Then you need to click on create new channel. Then select your name. So I select this name. Then select your description. You can write anything here. Then select your profile picture. You can upload your own image and any other image. This doesn't matter as well. So I select this image. Okay, then click on enter. Now click on okay, then select your channel public or private. So I select public. Then select your channel username, click on enter. Then if you want to add more people here, I am not interested, just click on enter. Wow, my channel are ready. So now I want to show you how to upload videos. Just click on this icon, again show you this middle icon here. Example purpose, I want to upload this video. Wow, it's already processing right now on here. So you can see how I create a Telegram channel and upload videos. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.